R&B Incorporated Heating and Air Conditioning, located in the heart of Delray and Alexandria, has been an incredible supporter of Carpenter's Shelter for many years. In total, R&B Incorporated has contributed over $23,000 in donations and event sponsorships. This fall, Carpenter's Shelter is excited to partner again with R&B Incorporated for Carpenter's 5th annual Run for Shelter on November 22nd. Because of the support from community businesses like R&B Incorporated, Carpenter's Shelter is able to support 750 homeless men, women, and children achieve sustainable independence through shelter, guidance, education, and advocacy each year. Thank you, R&B Incorporated, for meeting the needs in our community.